I have finally reached 1,000 miles on my 2022 Chevy Bolt EUV, and I think it's the best value electric car on the market. And I'll give you a few reasons why in a very short overview of the vehicle and why I think it's a pretty awesome car. Mine is a premier model. It has everything but the Super Cruise. It's a great value at $35,190 before any tax credits, and the base price even is a fully equipped vehicle. Now, I like it's a much more comfortable ride than my old Bolt. Plenty of range for the average person. It has wireless CarPlay, Android Auto, adaptive cruise, a lot of legroom, and lots of tech inside. I love these blue seats. They're not black, they're actually a dark blue. The interior is extremely comfortable, very roomy, and it's an easy car for a second car or a first car for a kid. It can do the day-to-day task just fine. Again, most people drive 40 miles a day, right? This can go 247 miles on a charge. Now, it is a fingerprint magnet. It does have slow fast charging, so it's not a good road trip vehicle. The mobile app's kind of crappy. The wireless charging is eh. Overall, it's a great value vehicle, and that's before any tax credits. I mean, look how much room is back here. That front seat is set for me at 5'10". There is so much legroom in the back seat. Again, plenty of room for day-to-day tasks. And the blue seats, I think it's way better than black because black seats are kind of boring, and they're heated and cooled up front. And the Premier, heated and cooled seats. Plenty of room in the back for all my luggage and day-to-day tasks. You can put a stroller back here just fine. You can't go wrong. The dashboard is simple, no nonsense, unlike my Tesla, which has no dashboard whatsoever. Again, if you're looking for a new car, you should take a look at the Chevy Bolt. It's not perfect, but it's really, really good, and I drive it way more than I thought I would. Have a fabulous day. Thanks for stopping by, and hit me in the comments for any questions you have.